Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. In today's video, I'm going to share this simple golden and brown eye makeup. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such eye makeup tutorials. Now without any further delay, let's get started. I'll start with prepping my eyelids, and for this I will be using Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 02, and to apply the concealer I'm using the Pro Art PF01 concealer brush. I'm first cleaning underneath my eyebrows and will apply the concealer all over my eyelids. And to prevent the concealer from creasing, I will be setting with Maybelline loose powder. For eyeshadows today, I will be using Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I'm first using the shade Sandalwood as my transition shade, and with a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to start blending it into my crease. I'm blending this shade until it melts into my skin and looks nicely blended. Next, I am taking shade Cocoa, which is a darker brown shade, on a flat shader brush and start applying it in the outer V area of my eyelids, and whatever is left on the brush after applying on the outer V, I will be blending it into my crease. Then I'm taking this 24K gold shimmer shade on a flat brush and apply on the eyelids. I'm going to apply this shade only till my crease and not beyond. This is such a beautiful pure gold shade. I am really loving this shade, and this shade mostly goes with Indian outfit, so you can wear this eye makeup on mostly every Indian outfit. So yeah, it's really nice and very versatile eye makeup. Next, I am blending the edges of that gold eyeshadow with the help of a dark brown eyeshadow, so there are no harsh lines visible. I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter to highlight the inner corner of my eyelids and also the brow bone. Now let's do the lower part of the eyes. I am using the shade Cocoa again, and with Pro Art PE29 brush, I'm going to smudge it on my lower lash line. This brush is my new purchase and it's really very good for working on the lower lash line. So I highly recommend if you're looking for a nice pencil or smudge brush. It's really nice, it's very soft, it doesn't irritate your lower lash line. For eyeliner, I'm using Faces Canada Magnetized Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm going to draw a very nice winged eyeliner today. For kajal, I am using Plum Nature Studio Kohl and apply it on the lower waterline. This kajal is long wearing and smudge free. Then I am using Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara, and with the help of this mascara I am going to coat my upper as well as lower lashes. You can do the mascara and call it done, but I am going to add fake lashes and I am using Europe Girl lashes. And that's the completed look. All the products which I have been used will be mentioned in the description box below. I hope you like this video, and if you do, make sure you like, comment and share this video, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.